this is the signal wire that goes down to the starter. So when you hit the key, that would engage the starter. I ran a new yellow wire. We don't have any safety switches in the middle of it. So with that on there, when I engage the key, it should start. I really don't have any idea if the glow plugs are working. I suppose I could test them. All right, so they're working. What? Why is this on fire now? You see the corrosion? And I have seen where they just won't start. Same thing on this. I hate these terminals. They should not be used ever. Let me clean this up. Clean and tighten that all up. Let's try some more heat. Why did it stop smoking like that? It's like all of a sudden it stopped getting fuel. What's up with that?